In August, Harry and Harry's big dog Marge always went camping. They went with Harry's parents. Harry's mother had been a campfire girl so she knew all about camping. She knew how to set up a tent. She knew how to build a campfire. She knew how to cook camp food. Harry's dad didn't know anything about camping. He just came with a guitar and a smile. Harry and Marge loved camping. This year they were going to Big Bear Lake, and Harry couldn't wait. "We'll see deer, Marge," Harry said. Marge wait. "We'll see raccoon," said Harry. Marge shook Harry's hand.
"We won't even see a bear," Harry said. Harry was not so sure he wanted to see a bear. She tried and put an arm around Marge. Marge gave a big, slow, loud yawn. He drew on Harry's foot. Harry giggled. "No bear will get us, Marge," Harry said. "We are too sleepy." Harry and Marge and Harry's parents drove to Big Bear Lake. They parked the car and got ready to hike. Everyone had a backpack, even Marge. He had lots of crackers. Henry's mother said, "Let's go," and they went. They walked and walked and climbed and climbed. It was beautiful. Henry saw a fish jump straight out of a stream. He saw a dog and her fawn. He saw quadruples and a rainbow, but didn't see much of anything. He was smelling. Marge loved to hike and smell. He smelled a raccoon from yesterday. He smelled a deer from last night. He smelled an oatmeal cookie from Henry's back pocket. Henry left, giving Marge the cookie. Finally, Harry's mother picked a good place to camp. Harry's parents set up the tent. Harry unpacked the food and tent and lantern. Marge offered a ham sandwich. Finally, the camp was almost ready. It needs just one more thing. "Who knows the words to "Love Me Tender"?" said Henry's father with a smile, pulling on his guitar. Henry looked at Marge and groaned. Thank you very much.